Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to block an attack on the Tekken 3 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, if you haven't installed the Tekken 3 game on your device yet, then make sure you watch our video on how to do that first. After you have installed the game and the emulator and it is ready to run smoothly, you can proceed with starting any new game from the new game section. Once your game is started, your fight will begin. Now, while you start playing the game, if you don't use the block feature, then you will get hurt continuously and you will lose most of the fights. So in order to block any attack, you will simply need to use the back button depending on the direction which side you are on. If you're on the left side, then make sure that you hold the back button for the left side. And if you're on the right, then make sure you hold the back button for the right side in order to block efficiently. If you use this technique, then most of the attacks that are based on hits and strikes will be blocked. But you cannot block grappling moves using this technique. And if your opponent performs a low attack, targeting the lower section of your body, then you will also need to hold the down button alongside the back button from your respective direction in order to block all of the low attacks as well. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to block attacks on Tekken 3. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.